Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, I wanted to show you that every single workshop or home garage or whatever it is that you work on needs to have some extra parts laying around. Here at the Drop Shop Garage, I have this humongous organizer that has little nuts and bolts and washers and anything that you can imagine for any kind of repair that I need to make. I will try to show you a few of them. So I got like little wire nuts for in case you need to do some electrical work. I have little S hooks for anything that you need to connect a couple of ropes together or a couple chains together. Over here I have bolts. Anywhere from giant bolts all the way down to little tiny bolts. Different assortments of the little nuts that go with it. Long bolts. These blue screws, guys, whenever they're blue like this, they're for cement or concrete. So you can put these into cement and concrete. Every workshop should always have a couple of extra light bulbs laying around in case your lights go out. So you're always ready to put a couple extra lights. And most garages should always have an assortment of belts, like alternator belts, power steering belts, fan belts. You should always have some tools handy, and I prefer Husky from the Home Depot or Craftsman. Those are my only two choices that I truly like. Is either Craftsman from Sears or Husky from the Home Depot. I've tried tons and tons of tool guys, and those seem to be the two that usually never break. So once again, guys, every single workshop, whether it's in your garage at home or a true workshop, you should always be prepared and have a bunch of little essentials. Screws, nuts, washers, things for wiring, little connectors. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.